Okay, Garfield. You're here.
Yes, right hand. What do you want me for?
Can you scare my sweetie's hiccups? Because she had a hiccup.
Or Araceli have a hiccup?
Yeah. Which one? Which one that you like that scares the most?
Alright, let me get something. Oh, I'm a skeleton. Ah, ah, ah. Heck. Heck.
It didn't work.
Ah, God. Heck. I don't know what we're gonna do. It doesn't stop.
I'll let me get my brother.
Okay.
Left hand. Come here.
Yes, what do you want?
Can you help me out?
Why do I have to help you out?
Because my sweetie, she had a hiccup.
Oh. Your sweetheart have a hiccup?
Yeah, and I want you to get rid of it.
Why do I have to get rid of that hiccup?
Use something to scare her away.
Okay, I'll get some. Surprise! Ronald is here!
Heck!
God, it didn't work.
Ah, what are we gonna freaking do?
I don't know. Heck! It's not even working.
Oh man.
I gotta find a way how to get rid of it.
Heck! Heck! Heck!
Huh. Gotta find a way how to get rid of them. Oh. I can't get rid of those hiccups that I have. Heck! Heck!
Huh. Oh man. Alright. Hey. I'll just. Whoa! Oh! 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 Ow! Oh!
Oh, oh, are you okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm alright.
That scared me a lot. Hey, my hiccups are gone. My hiccups are gone. My hiccups are all gone.
Oh my god, I tripped and it worked. Huh. I'm going to need to go to the hospital.
I can't walk. Don't worry. We'll take you to the hospital and make you feel better. Yeah. Oh, my bones are broken. Ugh.